Interview C4 the Outlaw, real time. And I'm here today with Brick Boss, the man from Skilly Bang video. The man who said, you don't know me. You understand me? None other than, I'm going to play this intro right here so you guys get familiar with who Brick Boss is. Brick Boss, I'm going to play the intro, then you're going to talk to them.
Oh. So are you only a Brick Boss?
Yeah, man, if I'm mine, I'm dying, man. What you hear about me?
Oh. You know him? Arm to him. You must know him. Tell me. You must know him.
Oh, I'm there, boss. Remember, I miss him. Me no know you. You don't know me, no, boss. I'm there. Pocket never fracture, no, man. White people can't do, no, man. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Now, what's your problem? Can't solve it, you know, man. Me name Brick Boss, you know. If I'm lying, I'm dying, man. I'm there, boss, you know, man. White people can't do, you know, man. If I'm lying, I'm dying. Now, what's your problem? Can't solve it, you know, man. Me name Brick Boss, you know. I'm lying, I'm dying, man.
Yeah, man, I mean, name Brick Boss, man. If I'm lying, I'm dying, man. Them know it touch already, man. All overseas all about, man. You see me?
See that? So, Brick Boss.
Yeah, man, if I'm lying, I'm dying. Them know the thing going on. Me don't know nobody and nobody don't know me, but you don't know, you know. We just always out here keeping the people them active, because you don't know. We're not inside our work, you know. I do not 95, you know. We are hustler, we're always on the street. So you don't know how we get the first news, you know. You understand?
See
and just to some people they are idiots to get the real good news from we, because we in the street, you know. And we get the first news, you know. You understand?
See
you don't know the what left them go see with them camera, you know. The what left news them go see and I put pan 7 and 9 regular. And I try to fool the people, you understand?
See that?
But two of them are bigger one and the people them I look up to them more than even bricky. But they don't know the real people them they around. And she say, you know, say big man thing that don't struggle there. You might talk right thing. You see me?
See that?
Yeah, dog. Because every man I go through the same tribulation like you know.
See that?
You see me? Big man thing, man. So now everything him I go see and know what I go on. And you get me? So you don't know. Big boss in the street with the youth them. White collar crime, I wanna deal with copper collar crime. You see me? So you don't know. I just show you an informer. You understand? But we have the proper news, them, you see me? And we talk when we can fit the people, them, sitting with we, so we just coming at the business. Because we are talk the right thing, them.
See that?
You see me? Me never talk nothing here to people, say, you know, say, I just some bad mind out there.
See that? Hey, Break It.
I go say, big boss, I say, fuck you or what, you get me?
Break It. Hear me out right
Yeah.
now. See? It's like, so a lot of people don't know who Brick Boss is. You're also a singer-songwriter and an actor. And a lot of people are not familiar with your concept behind how you go about creating your unique, I would say, more unique videos and stuff and your content. What inspired you to do your content that you're putting out right now?
I know it's a general big man thing. Everything what you see, I just need that, you know.
Right?
You see me? It like it just build for me, you know, you see me?
Right?
It's like I just be a goal move, me make, and goal talk.
Right?
You see me? But them say running a family, you know, but you don't know. And me get more side, you see me?
Right?
That's why I tell you, I just done some boast with it, and you know me, and me don't know you. Pocket never fracture, we outside. And we have to think of them, and get them outside. That's why I say, guy, me done cut that fuck.
Right?
You see me? Yeah, man.
See, that's all.
We don't create nothing on the general, man. Nothing what you see we do. And not create, it, you see me? We just have it for our back and walk with. Like we have, like when you have your book and your pencil in our bag, and you want to see something for you to
Right.
I just choose some boy in a radiator. You know something already, you see me?
See that?
It's like some man see me talent and just want it just so, you see me?
See it.
Yeah, man.
So
So, you know, right now, me there at Jamaica. Me there, I respect enough man in a general. But you see, respect,
right,
look how you see me flex. Look how I act, I act like a fire at Jamaica. You know, see me roll enough boy.
right,
I stay in my local lane.
right,
You see me? Because I see like them, I go like them see me, and them I go like them not see me. You see me?
Right.
That's why I say me no know you, you don't know me. You see me?
right,
And try there, I try. Sure, get a youth, say what you know, say big man thing, we can build a fan base
right,
and bust off our own.
right,
We don't, a man give you a strength, no matter how poor or broke we is, you see me?
right. So
Yeah, I'm a talent, I'm see enough man pay for it. I'm respect them man, there enough man, they go say Babs and motivate me to work at it.
and
You see me?
Ricky, let me ask you some stuff because you sent me some music here, and obviously you're getting into the music business and you want to pursue a music career as well. What first got you into the music? What first got you into music?
General, you know, say big man thing, me's a hustle and thing, you see me? And every move me make, my friend or somebody who me even know, I say, John, how you, your vibes was nice and talented, you know, brother.
Right,
You know, if you even play a yard, you know, brother, overseas every day, you know.
right,
Friend them around me, every time I talk to them, most less when I go around or somebody strange, you see me?
right,
They must say, John, how you, you're talented, you see me? You can reason with.
right.
You can do around and keep me the whole day, you see me? So you don't know. Them influence me more, my friend them around me and people when I book a street more time, you see me?
Right.
And some general, you see me?
Right.
Yeah, man,
So
they never inspire me and say, John, how you?
how would you describe the music that you're creating right now? The music that you're making right now, how do you describe that music that you're making?
I know, say, everything you hear me talk, I just my flow. I want me to go on with, you see me?
Right,
If you look, you know, me not pick up no man attitude or no man style I look like I'm put in there, you see me? So everything what me say, I just me that. You see me? The girl them see me, I love her have my lifestyle, you see me?
right.
Love girl who don't mind me be them wife, you see me?
Well, let me ask you something. Is there anybody out there that you'd like to do a collaboration with right now?
I know it's a big man thing, Elena.
Right,
To collaborate with that man is like big man thing. And one man me that collaborate with right now. And a Vibes Cartel, right behind the bars.
right. Sweet then.
Yeah, man. Done this, man.
Any reason why you say Vibes Cartel over a lot of artists?
Alright, you know, it's a big man thing. If you look on the venue, me know.
Right,
If you look on the venue, me I come with, you know.
right,
If you see, I Portmore, me live, you know.
Right.
And them man, they me watch for. You don't know, them man, they come in and my season of music, you know.
right,
And you know, them man, they me listen more before 6 them come in, though.
right, right.
You don't know, them man, they kind of watch, you know. You see me? So that's why I also say, enough man a flow out of my belly, but more I create a little team by myself, you see me?
Well, I'm gonna let you do something here because even though I got a bunch of people over here asking, I got Bobby over here and I got J Dollar, you know, and what they're looking at right now, you know, everybody likes Brick Boss, but not many people know who Brick Boss is. So I want for you to tell the people who Brick Boss truly is, like where you from, where you located, how can they get a hold of you, and let's get into that segment right there.
They say if I want to get a Portmore, me I talk to you now.
No, you're right. That's you. You're in Portmore, right?
You know, it's a big man thing, a Portmore the thing there, you know. You see me?
Right,
You know, instead of a crossroad at them place there, me's a youth, but a Portmore me thing there, you know. But
Right.
me's a youth move around a lot of place, you know. Me time I live at Portmore, you see me? Me's a youth that love move around, you see me?
Right.
Me don't like stay a one garrison too long, you see me? But a Portmore, I'm ancient still, you know. G Park, Gregory Park for the golf, you see me?
Right.
A my place that, you see me?
And so how would they get a hold of you? How do people get a hold of you if they wanna reach out to you and have you?
Yeah, man,
assist
them just go for my Instagram, man, and for you go there, man, and you look, man, you see a number, man. bricky lifestyle, you see me? You don't know.